Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So nice to see you here. In this video I'm making different heart earrings. Some I paint with acrylic paint and some I decorate with gilding flakes. I'd love if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm using DAS air dry clay because in my experience it's very strong and the pieces don't break easily, even if they fall. I have two different heart cutters to make heart shapes. Roll out the clay about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Then cut out heart shapes with the cutters. You'll need something sharp to make holes for jump rings. Toothpick work great to make the holes quite close to the edge so the jump ring can go through easily. I'm making pairs with hearts hanging one below another, so I need holes at the top and bottom of the hearts. For one pair I'm making stud earrings, so I don't make holes in those pieces. If you want to decorate the clay in any way, do it at this stage. I pressed the word love into one pair of earrings using letter stamps. Let the clay dry for at least 1 day and remember to turn the pieces over sometimes. When the pieces are dry, sand them smooth. Remember to wear a mask. I first used 180 grit sandpaper and then 1000 grit. I sanded the edges and also rubbed the flat side against the table to make the heart nice and even. This also makes them a bit thinner and lighter. Wipe away the dust carefully. I also used a piece of wire to clean the holes. Paint the pieces you want with acrylic paint. I painted the sides and one side first, let it dry and then painted the other side. After that, I added varnish I used a glossy protective varnish from DAS. Let the paint dry for at least 1 day before adding varnish so the paint doesn't move. I varnished the sides and one side first and let them dry for a couple of days so the varnish could harden. Then I varnished the other side and let it dry again. I think the best way would be to hang the pieces on a wire through the hole while varnishing, but this way works too. Make sure the holes are still opened and carefully use a wire to open them if needed. Some of the earrings I wanted a gold look, so I used gilding flakes. I spread all-purpose glue on the sides and one side and pressed the gilding flakes on top. When it was fully dry, I gently brushed off the extra flakes with a brush. Then I did the same on the other side. Don't forget to open the holes. Later I realized I could have painted a gold base color first, so it is sure that white clay wouldn't show through, but I just make sure that I have gilding flakes everywhere, so also fine without base color. Now it's time to assemble the earrings. I used gold colored jump rings in 2 sizes and earring hooks. I attached a bigger jump ring to the clay piece and used smaller ones between the pieces or between the clay piece and the hook. I also had some big hoop rings and added one small heart. Then I made one pair of stud earrings. I used jewelry glue to attach the stud backs. Be careful that there are no loose gilding flakes underneath or the piece might come off. That actually happened to me and I had to glue it again. And now they're ready. My favorite from the painted ones are the earrings with 3 small hearts in a chain, and from the gold ones, the stud earrings. Which ones are your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!